What up? So I wanted to show you guys a little something special that I use to plan out my content for you guys. And it starts with these little index cards right here. So this is my typewriter, and this is what I use to type out these cards. And what I do is I put it out with my clothes I'm going to take with me to work so I can change after work. And this is what I'm going to follow and make sure I get it all done. So now we're gonna stash this for the day after tomorrow, and we'll work on this, and then we're gonna head to Epcot tomorrow and take care of this agenda right here. But lots of fun ASMR using the typewriter. It's very soothing and it feels good. I encourage it if you don't have one.